Hello, Teresa Tree out here at our Global Family Farm on another muddy Sunday, but it is also sunny, so that's good. And what's also good is to have the College Corps here helping with mulching. The pathways are super saturated, super muddy, and so we're all in this together. We're helping each other out. Oh, good to get some help out here to mulch pathways. Let's check it out. Okay, this is all mud here, and this is the chips. We get the chips from the heap over there. Bring it in the wheelbarrows. Thank you for helping. More muddy mess here, and then we bring the wheelbarrows over here. We're making nice pathways. Thank you for your help.